Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk and discuss about Instagram, and I wanted to show you the way how you can hide likes on Instagram application for all the content that you have. So here you just need to open your Instagram application, log in with your account, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this bottom side here and visit your profile. There will be a 5 section. Just visit your profile and go click this three straight line on the top right corner, and then just go click settings and privacy, and scrolling down until you got what you see here, and then you just need to visit the like and share counts. So if you want to hide the like button or hide likes counts, you just need to turn on this button. And you're done. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.